Hi everyone, it's Carri over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. I am so excited. Today, Sharon from Cheap to Chic, I will link her channel down below, and I will be hosting a summer vibes swap. Guys, I am so super excited. I have never hosted a swap before, and Sharon and I are just not ready to let summer go yet. I hope that you will consider joining in our swap. It's going to be so much fun. I've typed everything out so that it's easier for me to read and explain the swap details, but if you have any questions, you can contact myself or Sharon or leave a comment down below. The swap is open to US and Canada. If you are in Canada, you will be matched with another person who is in Canada so that the shipping will be the same. You must have an active crafting social media platform and be willing to post the swap you send and the swap that you receive. These swap requirements are really fun. The theme is summer vibes. You have to create an embellishment box filled with bits and bobs, a set of crafter's choice embellishments that can be bows, rosettes, Twinchies, ephemera, whatever you would like, an ATC or Memdex card with your information on the back, and a treat, but no chocolate due to the heat. A store-bought gift that's no less than $5 and no more than $10. But you can choose to spend more, but please be okay that you may not receive more than $10 worth of goodies back. Try to fit everything in the $10 flat rate bubble mailer that the US Post Office provides. I think it's $10.40. And you can really fit a lot of items in there, and then the $10 shipping is worth it. If you enter the swap, you will have an entry for a Maggie Holmes package provided by Sharon. And a set of dewdrops provided by myself. If you do a VR by July 22nd, you will receive a second entry. These are the dewdrops that I'll be sending out for my prize. For channels and subscribers not entering into the swap, you can be entered for a $25 gift card provided by Sharon. Make sure you watch Sharon and myself's incoming swap videos for a secret word to use in the comments in a creative sentence. Please do not just use the word alone. You must be subscribed to both of our channels, US or Canadian resident, and international as long as you're over 18 and a constant supporter. Please email Sharon with your address and social media info by July 29th. Partners will be announced July 31st. I did just do a really quick summary. You can post a VR or a community post by July 22nd for a prize entry. If you'd like to join the swap, please email Sharon before July 29th with your mailing address and social media links, and be willing to post a video for what you send and what you receive. The swap partners will be announced July 31st, and packages must be shipped by September 16th. And if you have any questions, you can email myself or Sharon or leave a comment on one of our videos. In collaboration with the Summer Vibes Swap, I am releasing a limited edition Summer Vibes Dewdrop release. I only have 11 sets available. They are currently available in my Etsy shop. My Etsy shop is DoubleClick Connect, and it will be listed down below. There will be a total of 4 bags with 25 in each bag, 100 of them. These dewdrops are glitter. There will be some glitter residue in the bags. We have the following colors. This is a glittered light blue to match the waters of the beach. Have to stick with that summer vibes. We have this bright pink to match the tropical colors. We have this light yellow to match the sunshine, the lemons, and the pineapples. And we have this beautiful green to match the tropical leaves. This is a limited edition. There's only 11 sets available. If you're interested, head over to my Etsy shop where they are currently posted under Summer Vibes. I also want to share a sneak peek of the embellishment box that I made for this summer swap. I think it came out so cute. I went with the lemon lime, watermelon strawberry theme, and it has so many fun bits and bobs. And if you're my swap partner, you'll be receiving this. I thank everyone so much for supporting myself and Sharon's channel. For all of you that have been purchasing my dewdrops and tagging me in the videos, it's very exciting to see all the projects that people are creating with the dewdrops. I really hope that you will consider hanging on to summer with us for just a a little bit longer and join in our summer vibe swap. We are going to have so much fun with it, and I cannot wait to see everybody's entries. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye, guys.